Can I have home haemodialysis with young children or grandchildren?
Yeah, I think you can. I've got young nieces who visit quite a lot. And it depends really what you are happy to let them see or not see. Obviously, I wouldn't let them, see me at the point that I'm putting the needles in. But once I'm on the machine, I, cover my access up, and to them it just looks like I'm sitting in a chair as I am here with you, talking to you now. So yeah, it very much depends on what the children would understand. And I don't think it's not a scary thing, and particularly if you're in a home environment, it makes it much less scary, but it's so much easier to manage young children. I think my youngest stepson was about 7 years old when I started on home haemodialysis, so it's been so much easier with him.
Yeah, so a really good question, and yes, the short answer is yes, you definitely can. Again, it's just about having a frank conversation with children to help them understand some of the barriers and things that they can and can't do. And but yeah, lots of our home haemodialysis patients have very young children, and it doesn't tend to be a huge issue having children. A common misconception and grabbing things and pulling things. Actually, kids generally are pretty sensible.